Mustard fish curry, popularly known as macho besara in Odia, is Odisha's famous authentic dish. This curry is so delicious and super easy to make. So, let's get started. Marinate the fish with salt and haldi and keep it aside for 10 minutes. I have taken Catla fish. You can take any kind of your choice. Heat the tawa to fry the marinated fish. I always choose mustard oil to fry the fish. Place the fish one by one on the hot tawa and shallow fry them. Fry the fish both the sides till it turns golden brown. Fishes are fried perfectly. Now, keep it aside for the curry. These are the spices to be used to make masala paste. We call it besara batta in Odia. Check out my description box for the exact measurement of the spices. Grind all the spices into a fine paste. For curry, chop 1 big onion, 1 big tomato and 2 drumsticks. Heat the kadai and add mustard oil. When the oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of panchforan. When panchforan starts to crackle, add both onion and tomatoes and fry it together. Add salt according to your taste. haldi and chili powder and cook until they are fried properly. Onion and tomatoes are fried properly. Now it's time to add the masala paste. Mix well and cook until the oil separates. The masala is halfway done. Add drumsticks and cook until the oil separates. See how perfectly the oil is separated from the masala. Now the masala is ready. Add 1.5 glass of water and boil it properly. Add dry mango, we call it Ambula in Odisha, which will give tangy taste to the curry. Cover the lid and let it boil for 2 more minutes. Now you can see the water is perfectly boiled. Add the fried fishes gently and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. The curry is perfectly ready. Now garnish it with some coriander leaves. Enjoy the fish curry with hot steamed rice.